This video is for first-time buyers, or if you just don't remember what are all the costs involved in buying a house. Well, I am here to explain that to you today. Hi everyone, this is Amanda Aguiar, your realtor in the Kirkland and Seattle area. I am passionate about educating my clients about each step of the home purchase process, and I'm here to share with you today. But before we get anywhere, make sure you're subscribing and following my channel, and please comment below if there's any topic you'd like me to cover next. While down payments and mortgage fees are the biggest costs associated with home ownership, the additional costs that I will share with you can add up. Let's get started. Closing costs. Closing costs for a mortgage include all the expenses involving purchase of your property. Closing costs are typically 3 to 6% of the home total value and are typically out-of-pocket expenses. That means you will be asked to pay for them upfront rather than throughout your loan. Appraisal fee. A home appraisal is often required by the lenders to ensure that you are requesting the right amount to finance for the home and the amount of risk associated with lending that amount. The fee is paid to a third-party appraisal company which conducts the appraisal and usually costs between $300 to $500. Credit report fee. Lenders use your credit score and history to help determine whether you qualify for the loan and what terms your loan will be. Some lenders will charge a small fee in return for running a credit score. Usually it's about $20 to $30. Other lenders may cover that fee for you. Home inspection fee. A home inspection is an important part of the home buying process because it ensures that you are purchasing a healthy home and making a good investment. A certified inspector will review the home and let you know if there's anything that needs to be fixed. If there's a damage that you may not be aware of, the home inspection costs are typically paid to the inspector on the day of the inspection. A title search. A title search involves analyzing property records to make sure that there is no other liens on the property or any other discrepancies. A title company typically charges a small fee for looking up those property title in the public records. While the cost depends on the location of the property, you expect to spend about $75 to $200. Origination fee. A mortgage origination fee is what the lender charges you to process the loan. The fee typically costs 0.5 to 1% of the loan amount. Earnest money. Earnest money is a commitment to the home sale. It is the money that you, the buyer, put into escrow account where it's held until the parties complete all the necessary steps to complete the sale. Once all the conditions in the transaction are met, the money is released and applied in your down payment or closing costs. Earning money in this deposit usually helps protect all the parties, and typically it's about 2 to 3% of the loan. HOA fees. Most condos, apartments, and some neighborhoods have a homeowners association, which helps provide services, social activity, and amenity to the residents in the association. Of course, the cost of this to some residents are charged a HOA fee. A monthly expense to that could be between $200 to $500, depending on the association that you move into. There may be some fees you need to pay at closing. Private mortgage insurance, PMI. You may have not be required to pay that, but if you do a down payment with less than 20% down, you will definitely be required to pay the private mortgage insurance. This fee can be up to 2% of the loan annually and protects the mortgage lender if you default on the loan. After you have paid off at least 20% of the home's value, your lender should automatically cancel the PMI charges. Homeowner insurance. When getting a mortgage, you will likely be required to provide a proof of homeowner's insurance. Homeowner's insurance is important because it protects your investment and saves you money if there's any damage to your home or your assets within. If the home is damaged or destroyed, this insurance will cover most of all, if not all, the costs to restore it. The cost of homeowner insurance depends greatly on the age and type of the home that you have, where you live, what you want to cover, and if your home features any additional risks like swimming pool or a wood burning stove. On average, it costs about $1,200 to $2,000 per year. Property taxes. Your state and county impose property taxes, which go towards paying your local services amenity like schools, parks, police, fire department. Rates vary from area to area and tax changes every year. Tax you may go up over time depending on such factors of roads needing to be repaired, state cutting funds or home value increases or overall market changes. While your down payment and your mortgage payments are big expenses to consider when buying a home, there are several other fees. When added up, can also require a big chunk of change. Best way is to prepare yourself for those costs. It's to learn what they are, what they're included, and how much they are on an average. Make sure you are aware of all these expenses and you are financially prepared before buying your home. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help. Did you know about any of these costs? Comment below what you have learned today and I'll definitely be happy to assist with any questions you may have. Make sure you subscribe my channel and learn more about the buying process.